Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python functions with input parameters or arguments. So first of all, what are functions in Python programming? So function is an indented block of code which is used to perform some task or work in a program. So coming to some technical points related to the function. A function is used to divide large program into small modules, and technically it is called as modular programming. A function is defined once in a program and it can be called any number of times, which is reusability. A function eliminates repetition of code and saves wastage of memory in a program. Basically, functions are of two types. First one, predefined functions. Example, print function, range function, input function. So predefined functions, they come in predefined modules of Python and they are available with Python software. And next one is user defined functions. So these functions are defined by the user or developer as per the requirement in a program. So the syntax goes like this: a function with input parameters or arguments. So we use def keyword to define a function, def space function name, and then we have to pass the input parameters to the function, and then followed by indented block of code as per the requirement in the definition of the function, and finally return value, which will return a value back to the calling function. Example goes like this: define sum function without input parameters, indented block of code, and then we have to call the sum1 function without any arguments. Next one, define sum2 function. So here I'm taking two input parameters, a, b. So technically these are called as input parameters, and these parameters are separated with commas. And I'm calling this sum2 function by passing the input parameters as arguments, 11, 22 input values to the function, and technically these are called as arguments or actual arguments. Actual arguments 11, 22 will be assigned to a, b when the function is called, which is called as formal parameters. So let us try to demonstrate this. Python functions example 2. Take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So next I'm defining a function sum1 without any input parameters. So since I don't have any input parameters, in the indented block of code I'm accepting a value, converting that into integer and storing that in variable a. Similarly, input b value, convert that into integer and store that in b, performing a plus b and printing sum1 without input parameters, comma c. It will print sum of a, b. So I have to call this function sum1 function without any passing arguments or input values. Right. So let us execute till here. Save the program. Come to the prompt where you have saved the program. Okay. And then run or execute this py python functions example2.py. Right. So press enter, enter a value 11, enter b value 22. So sum1 without parameters 33. So here we are accepting dynamic input from keyboard inside the indented block of code. for sum1 function. Next, after this, let us take a function with input parameters and pass the arguments. I'm defining a function sum2 with input parameters a, b. So here directly I'm calculating a plus b as c. So print sum2 with input parameters as c. So here we are taking sum2 as function call. I'm passing here 10, 20. So 10 will be assigned to a and 20 will be assigned to b. So here 10, 20 are, we can call them as actual arguments. A, B. Okay, technically we call A, B as input parameters or formal parameters. So 10 is assigned to A, 20 is assigned to B. So 10 plus 20, answer is 30. So save this, run the program. So first case, enter A value 11, 22. So second case directly with parameters. So the answer is 30. So this is how we are supposed to work with function with input parameters or arguments. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.